If you wanna be somebody, if you wanna go somewhere, you better wake up and pay attention. The time is now or never to make your dreams come true. You better wake up and pay attention.
What's going on, people? This is Action Jackson from Happy Life Global, and preparation is the greatest form of victory. Preparation is the greatest form of victory. So whatever you do, stay focused, keep working, keep pushing, and I know you're going to get there. Over the summer, don't relax too much. Make sure that you're working on yourself, working on your mind, working on your heart, working on your goals, working on your mind, working on your heart, working on your goals, working on your mind, working on your heart, working on your goals. Whatever you do, don't give up. And remember this, preparation is the greatest form of victory. If you want to be victorious, get preparing. We at Happy Life Global salute you. Keep laughing, keep learning, keep leading. Take care.
Doing this, Mr. EDA Emmanuel Dare Anthony, and I'm so excited to your new transition that you're heading into. Remember that there are 3 causes to change. How many? 3. The first one is anticipation. The second one is adaptation. And the last one is crisis. And why am I sharing this with you? Because if you want to get the best grades possible, if you want to be the best you possible, you need to avoid crisis. You need to sometimes learn to adapt, but you need to be a person of anticipation. So take the early step and be an early adopter of being the best you can be by planning out your goals, by writing down a plan and achieving your greatness that lives within inside of you. You are amazing. Peace.
Remember that you matter. There is a place in the world for you. So the greatness that you achieve today is going to carry you to your dreams. So never ever give up, and have your why, have your reason why you're going to keep pushing past adversity, past fears, past crisis, whatever it might be. Have your why, and I'll see you at the top.
I'm super proud of you for getting to the next stage of your life. Well, I want to encourage you, be the driver of your life and not the passenger. Take the wheel, you can do this.
The time is now or never to make your dreams come true. You better wake up and pay attention.
You can do this, and I'll see you at the top.
You are amazing.
Keep laughing, keep learning, keep leading. Take care.